guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video, we're going to be trying out Pinterest inspired jewelry from Meesho. So let's get started. You guys know I'm a huge fan of accessorizing and I'm always on Pinterest looking for the next new thing that the it girls are wearing, and honestly I saw a pattern in quite a few things and I was like, wait, where do we get this in India or how do we get this for cheaper? And Meesho turned out to be the answer and I've gotten like so many packages of stuff to try out. Let's see how it goes. I'm too excited. Alright, so the first thing we have are ear cuffs. Now these are gold thick ear cuffs which look really nice. I don't have piercings as you can see, so you just have to like put this on and hope it will kind of stay. I have like one ear cuff and I've seen like every time I wear it, so many people ask me where it's from. I think I'm wearing it correctly. Honestly, I think it looks really cool. Maybe I should wear it a little higher, but utna fit nahi ho raha hai, so I think here is just fine. I think it looks really cool and definitely makes a big statement. Wow, and the quality is also very lightweight, so it's not going to hurt your ear after a few hours. It's actually very lightweight, so these can't be squeezed or expanded, they'll break. So you should hope that your ear fits into these. Up next, we have something really expensive. Firstly, they gave me a free scrunchie, so thank you very much. It's from the brand Kyler. And it's a Van Cleef necklace. I don't even have to tell you, right? Like all the it girls have it. They wear it in terms of bracelet, in terms of necklace and whatnot. Honestly, I'm not a fan of dupes. This looks pretty damn similar, except obviously this is not real gold like Van Cleef. And oh my god, it's double-sided. Oh wow, so we have a black and a white. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I'm just wondering if I wore it, would people believe me? Would they think that, oh, she's wearing real Van Cleef, or it'll be like, ye to fake hai? I don't know. Let me put it on. Honestly, it looks pretty nice, don't you think? Like, I think it's very cool and very nice. I am actually impressed with the quality. Next up, we've got pearl earrings. Again, something super popular. Every time I wear pearl earrings, at least one person asks me where they are from, and I know for a fact that pearls look really nice. They really elegant and class up the place. So I got something which has tiny pearl lines and a big pearl as well. Let's try it. The pearl goes under. What are you guys' thoughts on Meesho? Honestly, so like it is thoda badnaam I feel, but it has good stuff. There are very few pieces that I've been disappointed with over the years from Meesho. Everything else has worked out pretty well. Okay, I don't love this because I was expecting the pearl to come in the center. Here you can barely see the pearl, and if my hair is open you can't see it at all. I'm just seeing the photo and making sure this is what I had ordered. Okay, so it is similar, but from the picture it kind of looks like the ball is going to be bigger, so you can see it even if the person is standing like this. So you can barely see it like that. I don't love this. I would go for maybe different pearl earrings next time. Up next, we have something wrapped so carefully. Wow. Ooh, it's a Cartier bracelet. I mean, people are wearing Cartier stacks like it's for free, you guys. I don't know what it is with these celebrities. I think Kylie wears a stack. Even Blake Lively, I feel, wears a stack of Cartier. I remember seeing it. And I feel like it's kind of lost its charm. I feel like maybe 4 years ago, 5 years ago, they had that really like that, oh my god, you need to get a Cartier, like how Van Cleef is right now. But I feel like now everyone's like, everybody kind of has it. I don't see the novelty in it anymore. It does look pretty basic, but it's like subtle elegance of richness. I feel like I like it. It looks nice. It suits my personality, but I just feel like it's so overdone that I don't feel like wearing it anymore. Speaking of bracelets, we have a bracelet stack next. I love doing bracelet stacks. If you've seen on holidays, I always ensure to do like a stack of bracelets because I just think it looks so feminine and so nice. So I've gotten 4 bracelets in this one set. Let's put it on. I hate putting bracelets on my own. I hate it. It's like my first fear. These are honestly quite loose for me, like quite loose, and it's not one that you can go around twice with. I don't love that. This is what my stack looks like. I think it looks pretty good, if only I had some help wearing it. But I just feel like more than these chains, I feel like they look a little cheap. But if I were to do more of these Cartier type stiff bracelets or tennis bracelets, that would just kind of look more elevated. I feel like the other chains kind of make it look a little cheap. So I'll definitely wear it on vacation, but not sure how much I would wear it on a daily basis. Another thing very, very famous these days is layered chains, but they do it in the most delicate way possible, not like Bappi Lahiri. So I've gotten one which is a star and a moon. Honestly, I feel like it looks a little cheap and dirty for some reason, even though there are like air bumps or something on my star and moon, which I don't like. This is the only product so far that I found defective or cheap looking. Also, I hate untangling my jewelry. Like, there needs to be a better way for it. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Let me put it on. Honestly, I think it looks pretty cute. I don't think it goes with my top, like this neckline, but if I were wearing like a V-neck or something like that, it would look really, really nice. But yeah, the quality is not good of this particular product. Next up, we have another pair of pearl earrings. I told you guys, pearls are becoming like my one true love because it just looks so classy. This is also one of those piche se ek and aage se ek kind of a pearl. But at least here, I think you will be able to see the pearl properly. Oh my god, that is so cute. That is so stunning. I think it looks adorable. I think it fits my ear. Wait, what? Okay, so one stem piche ka is longer than the other because this heart touches my earlobe, making it look perfect. But ये वाला थोड़ा सा नीचे है. Oh god, yes, that's not good. I love how this looks like. It's perfect, but यहाँ पे वो stem दिख रहा है, which I'm like, no, please don't. I'm trying to pull my ear, but it's not going to work. I don't know if I can wear this because like uneven. Or maybe what I can do is just put my hair ahead and let people see this ear. I think this is so soft girl coded that I feel like it'll never go out of style. Next up, we have statement bracelets, and I want to give myself a little bit of credit over here because last year when we went in January for Paris Fashion Week, my first look had like a thick bangle set, and that time so many people trolled me being like, oh, it's so out of style, it's not a thing anymore. And trust me, it is a thing. Everybody, every it girl now is wearing thick bracelets, and it's such a fashion statement. And I'm just like, I knew it. Like, I knew it. And that time I was like second guessing myself कि मैंने अच्छा किया बुरा किया पता नहीं. But now I'm like, I knew it. I should have trusted myself. And this is what it looks like. I think it looks really cool. What I don't like is it's making a lot of noise. It's like bangles. It's very lightweight. Whereas these bracelets are either supposed to be wooden, or if they are made of metal, then they need to be the thick metal which doesn't like keep doing this. Basically, you need like very better quality of metal. This is very khokhla. I don't know how to explain. It's just very light. But nevertheless, it looks really good. I can definitely wear it for shoots and stuff like that. And if you're okay with your hand continuously doing that, then you can wear it on a daily basis. I cannot tolerate this much noise all the time. But yeah, I think stack bracelets are back, and they're back for good. So please experiment with your style and try it out. The last thing we have on our list is the Bulgari Serpentine. So Bulgari has this watch bracelet scenario, which is their Serpentine, I think, which looks like a snake. But the Misho version also doesn't look bad. It looks shorter, so definitely I would prefer if there was one more round to it. But honestly, it doesn't look bad. I mean, I feel like this color is a little cheap. Maybe if there was a gold or silver, which it wasn't, I checked because I really like that. Yahi tha unke paas. This also doesn't look bad, honestly. Like, it looks quite good. I can't stop staring at it. Actually, I feel like it brings a lot of attention to the hand, and it looks very nice. I also ordered a pair of sunglasses, which they are saying is delivered, but it was not delivered. It's not delivered. It's a pair of these oval sunglasses. I'll pop a picture right here. Again, something that's very, very trending, but मुझे तो मिला भी नहीं. So I feel like, yeah, Meesho does this sometimes where they show a product delivered, but they don't deliver it, or they send a completely different product, which had happened to me once earlier when I was doing a makeup video. But everything that I've received, I think, has been in great quality. Only 1-2 things ka quality was here there, but those are also intricate details that you would pay attention to, but literally nobody else would be able to tell. So overall, I think it's been a good, decent experience, especially at the price at which you get everything. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know which of these you would be interested in trying out. I'll see you guys next Saturday. Bye.